Gorgeous greenhouses and country settings. 1. Room with a view. As well as great growing conditions, glass houses also have the benefit of uninterrupted views, particularly useful if your garden backs onto beautiful rolling hills like this one does. A table and chairs complete with oversized parasol provides a shady spot to sit back and enjoy them post-planting. 2. Blooms to inspire. No space in your home for a dedicated hobby room? Whether you're after a spot to sew or a place to paint, greenhouses are ideal. Light, airy and bursting with beautiful blooms, creative inspiration is bound to strike. 3. Color pop. There's no closing the door on mess when it comes to greenhouses, but they do provide an opportunity to create a pretty garden focal point. Coordinating bright accessories such as cushions and lanterns adds a personal touch and ensures a splash of color all year round, a welcome sight particularly during the colder months. 4. Beautifully bespoke. If you've got an awkward-sized garden, specific growing requirements or a particular style in mind, a bespoke greenhouse might be for you. Surrounded by potted patio plants and finished in a soft sage hue, this Gothic-inspired glasshouse from Griffin Glass Houses blends in beautifully with its country surroundings. 5. Finishing touches. For something a little bit different, showcase your favorite flowers in hanging baskets, tin cans and DIY planters. Combine pretty with practical by storing colorful seed packets on an open stand and keeping beautiful vintage gardening books out on show.